Hey Python learners, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be learning how to make a few patterns using the Python Turtle library. For more such videos, you can refer to my Learn Python series. So let's get started. I was using Notepad++ until now, but from now on, we'll be using the Visual Studio Code. So the very first thing is to import the Turtle library as T. Next, we will set the background color of a turtle screen as black and of ink will be white, that is our pattern will be made of white color having a black background. So let us first make one line, let's say of 200 pixels, and we'll also set t.main loop so that turtle screen does not disappear. So let us run this and see. So a line is created with white color and a black background is there. Okay, so if we see this pattern carefully, then you can see this is approximately 8 degrees. So let us just rotate it 8 degree and we will make one more line. So if we run this, it is make like this, that is, it is rotated towards left by 8 degree and it went there. But we want it to come here back, and so we'll use backward here instead of forward. So if we run this and see, okay, so two sides are drawn. Now let us just rotate it again and see where is our cursor. So our cursor is here, and now if we just put this in loop, then let us see what happens. For I in range, let's say 5, and just see result. Okay, so our pattern has been formed because this was like this. But if you notice that it is not a full star, so for that, let us just increase the number of times the loop runs. So let it be 8. Now if we see the result, the star is forming and it is not completed again. So let us say 12 this time. Now let us see if it is completed or not. And it seems it's completed, and yes. So we have successfully made this pattern, as you can see here. Now the next thing is to make this pattern, that is a double star. So for that, if we just double the number and see what happens. So a double star is forming, and you can see it is similar to the one we thought to make. So this was all for this video. We simply used a for loop to make a beautiful pattern, t dot forward, then t dot left, t dot backward, and t dot left again. So it's using a simple line of code, we made such beautiful patterns. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more coding content. Happy coding!